Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Taurus, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, Taurus. We are picking few cards, guys. So these cards may relate to your career situation or your relationship, guys. And I have a special pick a card love reading for you after this general energy. So if you want more clarity, you can stay tuned for that reading, guys. So that will follow this general energy. So let's see what are these cards. We have Two of Cups in reverse, King of Pentacles, and Tower. So, in your situation, guys, Taurus, it may be in your career situation or in your relationship, you are someone who is really talented, skilled, and you have uh, your efforts, your confidence, and strength of heart that is taking you towards success, unfolding the good things for you in your life today, guys. And you are someone who has that practical knowledge and skills, guys, in your work or in your career or in your personal life. You are someone really with that clarity of thought and actions. And today you are seeing some changes, guys. It may be drastic changes in your situation. Something has come up, something that is causing a lot of stress for you. Maybe you do not see things clearly, maybe it is quite confusing. Some changes in your work or some changes in your relationship, you don't know what is the outcome. So unclear future or confusions or doubts are there in your life today. But you need to understand that these doubts or confusions are there just to give you more clarity today, guys. Maybe today you will be in a lot of stress, but this confusion is taking you towards some kind of a clarity, some choices you need to make, or some path you need to choose for your life that is going to unfold more success, and that is going to make um things go in a much better way for you guys in your future. So these changes are necessary for you guys, Taurus. Maybe it may look like stress or it may look like some worry, but these changes are necessary in your situation. And all those positive changes are coming towards you. That is the reason for these drastic circumstances today, guys. Taurus. And I also see some kind of uh, what to say, some kind of collaborations or partnerships are there for you in your work. So, or it may be in your relationship, you are moving towards a deeper commitment with this person. Guys, maybe you are building, maybe before you were quite confused about what you had between you both. But today you have that clarity, you know that this is love, and you are moving towards a perfect relationship, deep understanding, perfect communication with this person. So things are clearing up between you both, and you are stepping up in your relationship, maybe towards marriage or engagement, guys, Taurus. So that is what I see, guys, Taurus, with these cards. That is the energy. If you have some confusion or doubts, if you want more clarity, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Taurus. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. So this is your first deck card and this is your second card. So whichever card you want to choose, first you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds in silence, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first, guys. So that way the reading may resonate. So let's start the reading after a few seconds, and I'll be starting with this card, guys. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with this first card. Let's see what it is. Greet the dawn. Such a beautiful card here, guys. And the meaning of this card, maybe in your situation, you are inviting something new. It may be a new beginning, a new love, or an opportunity coming your way. And every day is an opportunity for us to start fresh, guys. Start with that clean slate. So, whatever that has happened yesterday, we are given a chance to do things differently today, and that is in our hands. And a new day invites us with that inner light of love and beauty. So, if we accept that invitation and radiate beauty and happiness to the surroundings around us, it will touch the lives of people around us, and it will give them warmth and the change the way the things are going in your situation and in their life, guys. So you don't have to take on the world, you just have to do your best. Simply do the things that you love to do. Do not force anything to happen, and let your day to flow as it should, guys, with that sense of gratitude in your heart and acceptance towards the gifts and challenges that day is bringing to you. So that is what this card means, guys. So in your situation today, guys, maybe if you are open to a new relationship, you are going to get someone new. And if you are hurt in the past, this is the time for you to let go of all that and move towards a fresh start in your life today, guys. So that is the energy with this card here, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, the second card, we have the poison apple, jealousy. So in your situation today, guys, for those who chose this card, there are few offers tempting you, really being offered to you or in your situation, but you should think about it again and again. Think it with clarity before you take up that apple. It may be poison, guys, so you have to be really careful. And you need to understand that even if you have made that choice, you need not fear that choice, guys, because you will recover. And the pain you go through in this situation because you have accepted some kind of a temptation in your situation, it is going to gift you with that experience, and you are going to get that true insight and clarity in your life and in your relationship. And also, you are someone who is the target of jealousy in your situation. People really around you are really jealous of you of some things, guys. Maybe your talents, your skills, your beauty, or your life. So they are jealous, and they are not to be trusted. You have to be really careful. Even if you know someone for a long time now, and even if they are your true friend, if there are some choices involved with them or they are pushing you towards something, you have to think it through, guys. Think for yourself. This is the time to be skeptical, and you cannot trust anyone in this present circumstance. That is what I would say with this card. So you have to be really careful when you're making important decisions in your life today, in your relationship today, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.